Hello kids, how are you? Today I will show many colorful toys. Wow, nice. Wow, it's a red balloon. Wow, and blue. Wow, nice. Wow, it's very nice balloon. Wow, it's nice. It's another red balloon. Wow, wow, nice. Wow, it's a yellow color. Wow, nice. Wow. Wow, many colorful toys. Wow, it's a airbus. Wow, it's a big airbus. It's a very gorgeous. It is a very beautiful plane. Wow, nice. It's doing too many small toys. Wow, it's a police car. It's a red color police car. Wow, it's a mini yellow color police car. Wow, it's a big plane. Wow, it's very nice. Wow, it's a big plane. Wow, Boeing 727-996 helicopter. Wow, it's looking very gorgeous. Wow, it's two engine. Wow, it's two engine, red engine and another red engine. Wow, it's two tire. It's a big airbus. Wow, it's a big tires. Wow, it's very nice plane. Wow, nice. Wow, it's a little car. Wow, it's little car, yellow color little car. Wow, it's another yellow color little car. Wow, it's looking very gorgeous. It is a red color little toy. Wow, it's an airbus. Wow, it's very nice. It's a train station. Wow, it's a mini train station. Wow, it's a mini train station. Wow, it's very nice. Wow, it's very nice. It's a mini train station. Wow, it's a little body. Wow, and railway station. Wow, nice. Wow, it's a mini army helicopter. Wow, it's very nice. It's very nice. Wow, it's very nice army helicopter. Wow, it's a little red color excavator. Wow, it's a little construction vehicles. It is a very nice toy. Wow, wow, it is a white color police car. Wow, very nice police car. Wow, nice.